Hello TaleForgers, in this old year I would like to wish you all the best for the next 2025 year. May it bring you many completed projects, working code, few bugs and satisfaction with what you do. Happy New Year! As we are at the end of the year, I wanted to take today as a snapshot of what happened over the year, and we touch on some really interesting and cool topics from ECS and beyond. Physics as well as jobs, dynamic buffers, subscenes, blob assets, compute shaders, optimization, collisions, input system and much more. Thank you for this year together, for finding my content valuable and for letting me teach you. Okay, but what's next? I'm currently working on two projects that are important to me. Universe Architect, something between I Do Tycoon and Sandbox, which I'm doing with Immortal Company, and a second project, Tower Defense using ECS, which we are doing entirely in our spare time. These are my priorities and I will definitely be sharing content in the form of devlogs, so you can get a closer look at some, I think, interesting ECS implementation in real-world projects. What's more, I plan to introduce a new series on the channel that I have been preparing for a long time, VContainer, which is a powerful tool that allows you to inject dependencies into your code quickly and easily. And most importantly, it will allow you to inject dependencies into ECS system base, which will greatly simplify your work and be extremely convenient. Of course, along with the news, I'm not forgetting the old topics already started. The series on ECS will also be completed and released in a continuous version, for your viewing comfort. Does this mean the end of the ECS videos? Not at all. They will continue to appear, but as independent topics rather than a project. You can think of it as a supplement to the existing stuff independent of the project we have been doing so far. There will also most likely be topics that I have the desire and time to explore, planet or not, maybe something from ComputeShaders or shader graph. Let me know in the comments, there might be some specific topics that interest you. Personally, I'm excited about what the new year will bring and the challenges it will present. I believe that time will allow me to continue to prepare materials for you. Let me know what you think of the plan for the coming year, because, as always, I try to choose topics that are little known and therefore, I think, interesting. I would like to invite you to support us on Patreon so that we can improve the quality of the content present. You can get exclusive code, repository access and more. Link in the description. Thank you for your time, I'm glad you are with us and our community is growing. See you soon in the next video.